This week's special with Miles Franklin Precious Metal Investments. 2022 Silver Krugerrands for only $409 over spot. To order, call us at 1-888-81-LIBERTY. That's 1-888-815-4237.
In this little video, we're going to demonstrate unboxing of a product that's received from Miles Franklin Precious Metals. A lot of people ask us about how are the metals wrapped, because first of all, they want to make sure that they're going to stay intact during shipping, and secondly, that they're not going to attract any interest from anyone along the way. And one of the things to be aware of is that not only are the packages tracked and fully insured, but that insurance is multi-layered for your privacy, because the shippers, anybody who actually handles your package along the way from state to state, is only aware of a small nominal insurance, a couple $100 that are placed on the package, whereas the full value of the insurance is done privately through a third-party insurer, Lloyd's of London, and nobody who touches your package along the way is aware of the full value of the package. So that helps protect your privacy. In addition, you'll notice that packages are wrapped in a very uninteresting manner. There's nothing.
But very well wrapped.
Yes, sturdy.
Very. They're hard to get into.
It's a physical chore to get into these boxes. So you're going to have to take the time, if you want to open up those boxes. And there's quite often there's multiple layers of cardboard boxes, so that, and then there's also reinforced. This one is covered with reinforced tape, and we were able to get through it on one end of the box. So I'll show you the end that we were able to open up. You'll also notice there's no interesting markings on the outside of the box. There's nothing to attract attention. It's about as boring as it can be on the outside, and the labeling doesn't say anything about precious metals. It's completely uninteresting as well. And we were able to cut open this end of the box.
I was just going to say too, sometimes the carrier will say, my goodness, this is a heavy box. What's in there? You know, and you can just say, oh, plumbing parts, or, you know, we don't want to be dishonest, but you just say, oh, yeah, you're right. It is heavy. It's a heavy box.
My husband orders parts. Yeah.
Yeah. You know, so.
Yeah. And then we started, and I got so much of this out of here. This packing paper is so tightly stuffed in here. You can help if you like. And almost. Oh, here's one. Now here's one.
Oh, yeah.
This one's special.
This is very important. And we wanted to show you, too, because they've been having specials on the Noah's Ark. But even when they aren't on special, they're a really beautiful coin. This is the wrapping, and it's securely sealed. Yeah, so mints have just started, some of them, doing a factory seal on the tubes. In the past, it was always just a pressure fit cap on the tubes. But this mint, the Kaiser mint, and others, the U.S. mint, has started doing that on more of their products. And others put actually a mint seal, a tamper evidence seal around the pressure fit cap on the tubes. And while you're doing that, I'm going to continue. There we go. Yeah, go ahead.
Digging in here.
Yes. And while he's doing that, hopefully I'll have this opened. And yep, here we go. It's a very beautiful, beautiful coin. I'm going to put that up to the camera. That's the Noah's Ark part. Can you see that?
Yep. And it's legal tender in the country of Armenia. So it would have the crest, the royal crest on the back there, and its face value marking and so on. These are 1 troy ounce of pure silver, as most bullion coins are for most countries in the world.
Yeah, it's very pretty.
Kaiser mint in Germany.
And really, I don't know if you can see the shine on there, but it's just really, really beautiful. And if you do give it as a gift, it's a wonderful story. Also on the back with the Noah's Ark. I think that's where they think in Armenia is the Noah's Ark. I think that's might be one of the reasons it's on there. You can look that up.
I think I'm winning.
Yay!
So here's the monster box of 500 of those Noah's Ark coins. This is again from the Kaiser mint in Germany, and you're going to see, as with all monster boxes from major mints, you're going to see mint installed straps that are sealed. You're going to see also a mint sticker bearing a serial number of the box and around the closure of the box. And inside this box would be 25 of those tubes of 20.
Same,
so
yeah.
Most mints make a monster box of 500 coins. Mm-hmm. This is the one for the Noah's Ark coin.
And it is a really nice box. Now, I would say it's more decorative than extremely sturdy or anything like that, but it's a very nice box.
Here's an example of the U.S. mint monster boxes for Silver Eagles. Again, they're going to have melted plastic straps in the recesses around the box for security of closure. They're going to have a sticker on there with the serial number of the box.
And just to say too, you want to keep it on, especially for the San Francisco ones, because that doesn't yield a better price. Am I wrong about that? Or
Well, it's the only way to verify that they are from San Francisco.
okay.
Actually,
So the San Francisco
is
Mint.
the,
Is
the
that-
part number
Yeah.
on the
So-
SKU number on the box, because the coins themselves inside can't be differentiated. That's how you tell.
Right.
But anyway, yeah, the investment value of most silver bullion coins does not depend on keeping them inside the sealed monster box, but it's a lot easier for everyone involved when it comes time to, if you wanted to swap or resell back to a dealer or whatever, is to have it in the mint sealed box, because it makes the handling that much simpler. And depending if the mint seals are still left on all of the boxes and the tubes inside, then it can simplify and streamline the reinspection and validation process. So that was an example. There's still a ton of padding in here, because the whole idea is that nothing can move around inside the box. And packages, we've noticed recently, have been getting heavier handling. I mean,
Yes,
we've seen a lot of the
definitely.
household things that we order have evidence of rough handling in transit. So that's why one of the reasons that our bullion department the logistics department always use extremely sturdy packaging methods with reinforced tape, double boxing where appropriate, that sort of thing, to make sure that these packages are going to come through as you order them, as we ship them. And we always keep a photo at our bullion operations. They just like at a casino where they have all the operations are under camera. Our pack out operation is completely under camera, and you can see that on our inside the bullion operations behind the scenes video, which we'll put a link to on this educational page as well. So thanks for joining us for this unboxing video.
Yes,
and
thank you.
for learning with us here on Miles Franklin Precious Metals Investments.
thank you.
This is Dunagun Kaiser, founder of Liberty and Finance. I'm now a licensed gold and silver broker for Miles Franklin. Call me directly for the physical gold and silver that you need at the best price, with personalized private service from one of the oldest and best companies in the business. 31 years strong, A+ rated by the Better Business Bureau, 0 complaints, licensed and bonded. For physical delivery, vault storage, or precious metals IRAs, excellent prices, privacy, and confidentiality. Pay by check, money order, ACH, bank wire, or Bitcoin. Satisfaction guaranteed. For fastest service, just call 1-888-81-LIBERTY. That's 888-81-LIBERTY. And either I or one of my sons and fellow brokers will call you back as soon as we can and understand your needs.